Have you ever wondered if there's a connection between how much you move and how you feel? Today, we're exploring how physical activity can be a potent weapon against depression. We'll delve into the science, evidence, application, and takeaway. So, let's dive deeper into this fascinating topic. So what does science say about the link between physical activity and depression? Well, when we engage in physical activity, our body releases chemicals called endorphins. These are often referred to as feel-good hormones because they trigger positive feelings in the body, similar to that of morphine. This endorphin release can reduce stress, help us sleep better, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. Furthermore, physical activity stimulates the growth of new brain cells in a process called neurogenesis, enhancing brain functions that are typically impaired in individuals with depression. It's like building a stronger, more resilient brain architecture. So, in essence, physical activity acts as a natural antidepressant, helping us combat depression from the inside out. Quite fascinating, isn't it? But let's get into the real deal. What does the research show? Evidence from a multitude of studies highlights the undeniable link between physical activity and depression. One such groundbreaking research involved an impressive number of over 190,000 individuals. This study revealed that even engaging in physical activity below the recommended levels can significantly reduce the likelihood of depression. Imagine that. Simply incorporating a tad more movement into your daily routine can have profound impacts on your mental health. The participants who were involved in half the recommended volume of physical activity saw an 18% reduction in depression risk. Those who met or exceeded the recommended levels enjoyed up to a 25% lower risk. These studies clearly demonstrate an inverse relationship between activity levels and depression risk, showing us the true power of movement. So, no matter how small, every step counts towards a healthier mind. See, science doesn't lie. So, how does this apply to our everyday lives, you may ask? Well, incorporating more physical activity into your day doesn't have to mean running a marathon or hitting the gym for hours. It can be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or cycling to work instead of driving, or even dancing around the house while you do your chores. If you enjoy structured exercise, consider joining a sports team or a fitness class. Yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi can be great options for those who prefer slower, more meditative activities. But remember, the goal is not to exhaust yourself. It's about finding joy in movement and making it a regular part of your life. Small, sustainable changes can lead to big improvements in your mental well-being. So let's get moving. Incorporate these small activities into your routine and see the difference it can make. Remember, every step counts. So what's the takeaway from all of this? We've explored how regular physical activity, even below recommended levels, can significantly lower the risk of depression. We've seen how the science supports this, with studies involving hundreds of thousands of participants. We've delved into the data, revealing a clear, inverse relationship between activity levels and depression risk. The implications are immense. By simply increasing our activity levels, even slightly, we can reap significant mental health benefits. It doesn't have to be an intense workout regime. Even small actions like taking a short walk, dancing in your room, or joining a sports team can make a difference. The power of movement in promoting mental health is real. It's accessible, it's within our control, and it can be a game changer in our battle against depression. So, are you ready to move your way to a healthier mind?